Hello everybody, this is Freddy and welcome back to this pronunciation crash course. Today we are going to work with two sentences and a short paragraph. Now let's begin with the first sentence. Sentence number one. The airplane taxied down the runway before taking off. Sentence number two. The airplane circled around the airport waiting patiently to receive permission to land. And then we are going to finish with this short paragraph. The moon is a barren, rocky world without air and water. It has a dark lava plain on its surface. The moon is filled with craters. It has no light of its own. It gets its light from the sun. The moon keeps changing its shape as it moves around the earth. Okay guys, this is the end. Thank you very much and see you around.